I don't know if you can hear it, but they've been flying over my house for the past few hours. Just flying. I've been praying and reading the word, and I feel like the Lord is setting me free, but they are resisting. They're resisting the prompting. They're resisting what the Lord is doing. And I'll feel fine, and then it's like, I don't know if they're hitting me with weaponry, but my back, oh my gosh, I can't even describe to you what's been going on in my back. I don't know if it's demonic or what, but the pain in my back, and it's in different spots, like, it's just really strange. I believe I'm delivered. It's just they're not cooperating with the move of God. They have an agenda, but the Lord is canceling their agenda, and they just have to accept that. I guess they call this sleep deprivation, what's the word? Basically not allowing a person to get any sleep. And I feel relief when I play the Jesus movie. I listened to this one lady's prayer. It helped a lot. But it's like, what happens is once I walk away, I hear this voice that's like, it's demonic. I don't know if it's their voice to skull or what, but it puts a lot of negative thoughts in my head that causes those wounds to open back up, and then, I feel myself being attacked again. So I'm fighting a good fight of faith. I'm praying. I'm doing whatever I have to. I mean, not whatever, but please just let me know if you're going through like a worse attack. Because this is like not fun at all. So please leave a comment.